Now, let's make dynamite lumpia with the help of this fantastic electric food chopper. Its ultra-strong blade will effortlessly chop, dice, and mince your ingredients to perfection. Super time saver that you can create a lot of recipes to offer when you're hosting a feast. With a long-lasting battery life, it's always ready to assist you in the kitchen, no matter the recipe. And the best part, it's a breeze to clean. Say goodbye to the hassle of washing up. Upgrade your cooking game today with the electric food chopper, the perfect companion for culinary success. I can't imagine doing this manually. This could take forever. Now let's start doing the recipe proper. Add in the chopped garlic, onion, and green pepper into the minced beef. Put salt at your preference, then powdered pepper. Mixed well until all the ingredients are distributed evenly. I also added brown sugar to balance. Then let's pre-cook the mixture so that we can make sure later. It's cook underneath the green peppers and wrap. Cook until it's golden brown. Now let's stuff the green peppers with the pre-cooked minced beef mix. Make sure stuff it with a decent amount, then add on the cheese. For a perfect bite later, secure roll it with a wrap and seal it with an egg yolk for a perfect hold. And redo the steps onto the remaining green peppers. Frying time. Fry it until the cheese has totally melted and the wrap turns golden brown. Now, it's ready to serve. Immaculately good. Total dynamite explosion of flavors in your mouth. Bon appetit! Follow me for more.